Hey there, juice enthusiasts and beetroot buddies. Get ready to turn over a new leaf, or should I say root, in the world of healthy sips. Today we're juicing up some beetroot wisdom that'll make your body do the happy dance. Now I know what you're thinking. Juice and health? Isn't that a bit fruity business? Well, hold on to your beet hats because we've got some juicy news. In a world where the sugar debate has juice on the ropes, there's one vibrant hero that stands tall: beetroot juice. A recent study spilled the beets on its incredible powers. And whether you're aiming for a heart as strong as a beet or a brain as sharp as a tack, this super sip is the unsung hero you've been searching for. Yep, you heard it right. Beetroot juice is the real MVP, and we're not just beating around the bush. Beets themselves are nutritional powerhouses, and the best way to slurp up those benefits is fresh and cool, no heat allowed. Heat might be the arch nemesis that destroys the nutrients, and we're not letting that happen to our beet buddies. Now, if you're still on the fence about adding beetroot juice to your daily routine, fear not. We're about to spill the beet on not one, not two, but 13 amazing benefits that'll have you raising your glass to beetroot goodness every day. So, get ready to sip, savor, and let the beetroot revolution begin. Cheers to a healthier, juicier you. Number 13. Promote heart health. Sick of popping pills for high blood pressure? How about trading them for a refreshing glass of beetroot juice? It's like a natural superhero cape for your heart. This crimson elixir dilates veins and arteries, reducing blood pressure and lowering the risk of heart disease. According to research, sipping on 250 milliliters of beetroot juice regularly is like giving your heart a spa day. Beets, packed with nitrate goodness, restore the function of endothelium, the cells lining your blood vessels. Plus, the folate in beets helps your heart cells grow and function like fitness enthusiasts on a cardio day. Number 12. Promotes hair growth. Beets, not just for your belly, they're a treat for your tresses too. Beetroots are a treasure trove of nutrients essential for hair growth, from potassium and iron to vitamins A and C, proteins, magnesium, and calcium. If your hair is feeling like a wilted salad, it might be lacking these nutrients. Beets to the rescue. Vitamin C in beets helps make collagen, the superhero structural protein for your hair. Plus, those antioxidants called carotenoids in beets boost blood circulation, delivering a nutrient-packed superhero punch to your hair follicles. Say hello to luscious locks. Beets got your back. Number 11. Promote weight loss. Beets, the superheroes of slimming down. Beetroot juice is like a nutrition-packed superhero with very few calories. It's the caped crusader of weight loss. Packed with fiber and silica, even after the juicing process, the soluble fiber is still there to rev up your metabolism and give those excessive fat levels a good old beatdown. It's like inviting a team of enzymes and digestive juices to a healthy digestion party. With its anti-inflammatory prowess, beetroot juice improves nutrient absorption, regulating appetite, and helping you keep that body weight in check. So, say goodbye to the extra baggage. It's time to beat the bulge. Number 10. Helps to cure arthritis. Beets, the joint-soothing superheroes. As we age, joint issues become the unwelcome guests at life's party. Arthritis can turn simple tasks into an Olympic event. But fear not, beetroot juice is here to save the day. Sip on this simple juice for a week, and you might just feel a beetload better. The anti-inflammatory wonders in beets, like beta-nin, isobotanine, and vulgaxanthin, go to work inhibiting enzymes that trigger inflammation, reducing pain, and swelling of joints. It's like a superhero team-up against joint discomfort. And don't worry if your pee turns a bit reddish, it's just beets showing off their colorful magic. Number 9. Gives you glowing skin, ready to shine brighter than a disco ball? Beetroot juice is your ticket to that radiant glow from within. It's like a skin superhero promoting blood purification, kicking blemishes to the curb, and evening out your skin tone. With anti-inflammatory powers, it's the skincare superhero you didn't know you needed. Packed with potassium and vitamin C, beetroot juice is your skin's BFF, promoting the regeneration of dead skin cells and waving goodbye to dark circles caused by stress. Bonus tip: forget those chemical-laden blushes. A little beetroot juice on your face gives you a natural blush and rosy cheeks. Move over beauty products, beets are stealing the show. Number 8. Prevent anemia, hemoglobin, and iron, the dynamic duo for a healthy life. But wait, if there's not enough of them, you could end up in the anemia blues. Fear not, because we've got the beet remedy for you. Daily sips of beetroot juice are like a superhero cape for your blood, packed with iron, minerals, and vitamins that kick anemia to the curb. It's the easiest way to absorb iron into your bloodstream, making it a natural remedy for low blood hemoglobin and anemia. Just remember, keep it fresh to preserve those nutritional benefits. No stale juice here. Number 7. Controls diabetes. Beets. Not just for salads, they're sugar-busting superheroes too. In a 2014 study, beetroot juice took on blood sugar levels after meals and came out victorious. Even sipping less than half a cup significantly lowered post-meal glucose levels. Forget the sugar roller coaster. Beets are here to steady the ride. Alpha-lipoic acid in beets reduces the risk of nerve damage, while nutrients like beta-alanine and neobatenin help control blood sugar levels and boost insulin sensitivity. But remember, moderation is key. No more than 200 milliliters, divided into 4 doses of 50 milliliters each. Beet diabetes in check. It's a sweet deal. Number 6. Good for eyes. Beets, the visionaries of the vegetable world. Lutein and zeaxanthin, the dynamic duo for eye health, are present in beets, making them your peeper's best friends. With a dose of vitamins A and C, they're the guardians against age-related macular degeneration, a fancy term for vision loss in older adults. Want to level up your eye elixir? Add some carrots to your beet juice for an unbeatable power combo. It's like a superhero team-up for your tired, dry, and red eyes from those long hours on the computer. Number 5. Help treat erectile dysfunction. Move over little blue pill. It's time for the beetroot revolution in the bedroom. Nitric oxide in beet juice works wonders for erectile dysfunction by enhancing blood flow to the penile muscles. It's like a natural love potion that relaxes blood vessels and boosts circulation. Forget the saying, beats by Dre, it's beats by bed for a performance boost. And before we beat around the bush any longer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring that notification bell. We've still got more beet-tastic benefits coming your way. Number 4. Natural detox support. Beets, the liver's cheerleaders in the natural detox game. Despite what supplement marketers might say, our liver is a detox powerhouse. But hey, a little beet boost never hurt anyone. Beets, with their vitamin beta-alanine, are like the liver's BFFs, supporting detox pathways and increasing the production of glutathione, the superhero enzyme that promotes liver detoxification. It's a detox party, and beets are the life of it. Number 3. Boost athletic performance, calling all athletes, time to beat your best. Professional athletes aren't just sipping beet juice for the taste, it's a performance booster. Beet juice cranks up nitric oxide production, leading to blood vessel dilation and improved blood flow. Say goodbye to muscle fatigue and hello to a rapid removal of lactic acid. It's like a sports drink straight from the garden. Beet juice also amps up mitochondrial efficiency, making your cells produce energy like they're on a power workout. Say hello to increased endurance and farewell to exhaustion. Your heart, lungs, and muscles are about to become the ultimate dream team. Number 2. Help fight cancer. Beets, the colorful warriors against cancer. The beta-alanes in beetroot, those soluble antioxidants, are like superhero capes fighting unstable cancer cells. Researchers call them scavengers because they clean up free radicals, maintaining your health. While more research is needed, beets are already rocking the anti-cancer stage, particularly against breast cancer. They're the bodyguards your cells need. Number 1. Reduce the risk of dementia. Beets, the brain's secret weapon against memory loss. A study in the journal Nitric Oxide spilled the beets on how daily doses of beet juice can amp up blood flow to the brain, especially the part linked to dementia. It's like giving your brain a VIP pass to increased blood flow in the frontal lobes, the command center for cognitive thinking and behavior. Beets, with their dietary nitrates and brain-boosting nitric oxide, are the superheroes of information transmission between brain cells. Plus, those antioxidant properties are like shields protecting brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, lowering the risk of dementia and cognitive decline. Beets for brains. It's a winning combo. And there you have it, Beet Buddies. We've spilled the beet on weight loss, hair growth, and arthritis relief. If you found this video as delightful as a beetroot smoothie, hit that like button for more juicy content, and share your favorite beet pun in the comments. Until next time, stay beat-tastic and stay healthy.
Dirty, no, I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy.